Hello guys and I welcome you to Talk with Art. In today's video I will talk about best AI ML courses which are present on Coursera. So stay tuned and let's start.
Like a Hellcat.
Coming to the first one in our category, AI for Everyone. It's a well rated course, nearly 4.8 ratings out of 5 and 21,000 students have already enrolled for it. It is given by Andrew Ng. So it's basically a non-technical course which focus on theoretical concept. But if you are an absolute beginner, this course is very well structured and nice for you. The skills you will gain here is basic AI terminology, AI strategy, workflow of ML project and a data science project, so you can enroll it. The second course in our category is Launching into Machine Learning by Google Cloud. It's a nice course with a rating of nearly 4.6 out of 5 and nearly 3 to 4,000 students have already enrolled for it. It's a part of a specialization which is called Machine Learning with TensorFlow on Google Cloud Platform. Basically, they will start from the history of machine learning. Here they will discuss why neural network play a very important role in today's time. Third one in our category is Getting Started with AWS Machine Learning. This course will teach you how to get started with machine learning with the help of AWS in a very efficient and a simple manner. They basically claim that you can deploy machine learning model with the help of AWS in just one click. I don't know how, but they just claim it. So the skill which you will gain here is the knowledge about SageMaker, Deep Lens, recognition, S3 bucket and all those kind of stuffs a product they have. Next course in our category is Introduction to TensorFlow for Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Basically, it's have a rating of nearly 4.7 and nearly 10,000 students have already enrolled for it. If you want to build a scalable AI powered algorithm with the help of a handy tools that is TensorFlow, so this course is for you. It's a part of a specialization and here you will learn about TensorFlow, how to use it, how to deploy a model, how to train your algorithm in it. So it's a very nice course with a less theoretical but a more practical one, so you can definitely try it as well. The next one in our category is Machine Learning with TensorFlow on Google Cloud Platform. Here you will learn machine learning with Google Cloud Platform and a real world experiment with the end-to-end machine learning problems. Here you will learn what is machine learning and what kind of problem you can solve here. What are the basically 5 phases of machine learning to convert a candidate use case into a model driven by machine learning, and why it is important, why neural network is important. All your doubt will be clear in a very efficient manner, so you can also try it as well. So here comes the most interesting and a trending course which are present on Coursera is the deep learning course by deeplearning.ai, well narrated by Andrew Ng, and other star thinker of machine learning. So if you want to break into AI, then this specialization will help you to do so. The skill which you will gain here is TensorFlow, CNN, artificial neural network. It's a 5 courses. It's a combination of 5 courses which are like this. It's a total 5 courses in this specialization. You can see it. It's a very nice course. You can definitely try it and can clear your whole doubt in case of machine learning. Another great course on machine learning, that is data engineering, big data and machine learning on Google Cloud Platform. These online specialization provide participants a hand-on introduction to design and build data pipeline on Google Cloud Platform. It consists of a 5 specialized course within itself, from big data to data analyst to machine learning. You can also try it and can definitely understand the concept of data analyst, machine learning with the help of Google Cloud Platform and its products. The 5 specialization are like this. This course is specified for those who want to learn natural language processing. NLP uses algorithm to understand and manipulate human language. This is a very emerging technology, and the skill which you will gain after doing this course is like a sentiment analysis, schemasis network, hidden Markov's model, transformers, and etc. It's a basically it consists of a 4 course within itself, which are like this. It is 4 specialized course. You can have a look in it. So here comes the end of our video, and after doing this much course you will definitely enhance your habit of learning and exploring the things. So after doing this thing, you can definitely explore a lot on this field. So hope you guys understand the video, and do like, share and subscribe for more such beautiful updates. So thank you and bye.